I'm going to show you a couple of tips and tricks when you are manipulating images and you need to select more than one. So the easiest way to select a group of images is to hold down your cursor, so click and drag from one corner to the other, and it will select anything in its path. Now, this is an usual problem where it will get extra things. So when that happens, you want to hold down the control button and then unselect whatever you don't want as part of what you're doing. So from here, you can use any functionality that you normally would. You can copy and paste. You can move them around. You can right click and group them together so they now function as a group. What I am going to show you how to do is make them into a pile, which is especially useful for money. So you are going to use the align, horizontal, and vertical. First, it doesn't matter which order you do it in. You're going to do one to the center, and then you are going to right click again, align the other way, and then to the middle. And now what this does is it makes a pile of quarters. And if you are doing any kind of activity counting change, now you can have your students be able to drag and drop multiple images on what is a seemingly endless pile. The other way I want to show you how to select multiple images is if you want to be choosy about which ones you need. So say I want to select just a quarter, a dime, and this nickel. I'm going to hold down the control key from the beginning, and I am going to select just the images that I want. So I clicked on 1 quarter, 1 dime, and 1 nickel, and now I can treat them as a group. I can right click, group them together, copy and paste. I can align them horizontally or vertically. Say I want to send them all over to the side. It sends them all over there. Now they're by themselves. I can do whatever I want with them as a group. So those are just some tips and tricks on how to manipulate groups of images on your screen.